Hello everyone, I am your computer teacher Deepti Jain and I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, charts in MS Excel. First of all, we come to know what do we do in MS Excel. In MS Excel, what do we do is to be used to create or make a database, right? Or you can enter your information like your student name, attendance and your score. And this MS Excel provides us very good feature, that is chart. When you enter your data or information in a table form, in a rows or column, that is your numeric data. When this numeric data converts into a pictorial form, that is chart. Chart represents our data, right? Our numeric data, right? And how this is very useful to us? It is very useful to us because it is very attractive and it is very easy to understand, right? And there is a different types of chart you come to know later. And in the chapter number 4, on the first page of it, you can see advantages of chart. Charts are very appealing to represent our data and information, and some of advantages are charts present our data and information in a very compact and attractive manner. Attractive manner means it comes out in multiple color, right? And the second one is charts are very easy to understand and analyze. The third, charts have more lasting effect on the mind than a simple spreadsheet. What is the meaning of that? It is a very good saying, a picture worth is 1,000 words. Means if a person explain you something, it is not easy to understand to you, right? If he reflect their words in form of picture, you can easily understand. जैसे अगर कोई स्टोरी सुना रहा है और अगर आपको उसके साथ साथ पिक्चर भी दिखाते जाए तो आपको इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा, राइट? नाउ मूव टू द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन.
Students, let us now learn on screen how to use charts in MS Excel. For that, first of all, we need to open the MS Excel. Click on the Start button, select Microsoft Excel, and you can see now MS Excel window has been opened on the screen. What is the use of the charts in MS Excel? First thing is you need to know the components of charts, and for that we need to create a table and present it in a chart. Let us click on table. You can see I have already created a table in Excel. This is a marks of students and students name has been given over there. Now for applying a chart, you need to do is to create a table. After that, select a whole table, drag and drop, and after that click on Insert tab. It is just next to the Home tab. After clicking there, you can see Charts group has been given there. Okay, and different types of charts like column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter and other charts. There are the different charts. Let's go for the first one, column chart. Inside the column chart, I can again choose subchart option. I choose the first one. After that, you can see I have already created a one chart. To create a chart, first of all, we have to make table. You know very well how to make a table. You have to learn about components of chart without knowing about these components, you can't understand about the charts. Here you can see on chart some numbers are given, some colorful bars has been drawn over there. Students name also has been given. Right? Components of charts. The main components of charts are: first, plot area. This is the rectangular area within the chart area of the chart. Okay. Now the second one is y-axis area, and you can say value axis. This is the vertical axis of the chart along which the value of each data point is plotted. And x-axis, category axis, this is the horizontal axis of the chart on which each category is represented. The now data series, these are the bars, lines, slices or other elements that represent the data's value. And the legend, this helps to identify colors, pattern or symbol assigned to data series. Now the chart area. Chart area, the area includes all the object of the chart. Okay.